Student, I find that you have lot of problems during the time of recording and posting and handing the work. So today I am going to show you how to do the work in handing, the proper process. First I will go to the classroom and I will show you the post that I has done. I have created one demo class, and in this demo class you will see, just a minute, see here a new assignment has been given. Okay, a new assignment has been given. So here the assignment is there. You will open it and you will solve the particular assignment, test 1. Okay, assignment test 1 has been given. This is the question paper. So this you will going to first solve in your copy. You will write your name, class, roll number, section, then test number, date, and your phone number properly. Then you will solve it. After solving it, what you will do, you will go down, you will go to the Adobe Scan. Adobe Scan previously you have to download from the Google Play Store. Okay, from the Google Play Store you will download the Adobe Scan. After you download the Google Adobe Scan, okay, then you have to take the image of, at the Adobe Scan will start, you will take the image of your page of the copy. Suppose this is the first page. Okay, take the picture properly so that the picture comes. Then this is the second. Now the second page, take this. Now this is the second page. Okay, second page of the document. Now suppose this is the third page. This is the third page. Now this one is the fourth page. Okay, suppose 4 page you have written, so I am taking the 4 page picture. This is the fourth page. Now click on it. After that you will click on continue option. After continue, you see the mark 4 is there. You will click on it. As you click on it, you will find there the option to give the title. So you will write the title. First you click there, you will write here the title. Title is test 1. Answer of test 1. You will write here answer of test 1. Answer of test 1. Test 1 written. Before going that, you see the date September 1. Suppose today September 1 I am taking. If you want to change the date, you can change the date. Then click on OK option. After click on OK option, it will going to, you will see the things are all right or not. Okay, then you will going to do save as PDF. Save as PDF. After you do the save as PDF, oh, answer of test 1, this name you have to change. You give it answer of test 2, because answer of test 1 I have saved earlier only. So answer of test 2, test 2. Okay, because your will be test 1. Now save PDF. Okay, that was the little bit defect, because previously I have done one for the other class, answer of test 1. So answer of test 1 it will not take, but for your case it will take. Okay, so if it is not taking by answer of test 1, you will write answer of IT or IP test 1. Okay, then it will easily take the work. It will going to save the work. After it will save, then you will place on share. Share option you will come, you will place on share, then share a copy. Click on share a copy. When the share a copy you will click, you will find another page will going to open. Okay, from there you will select a classroom. After you select the classroom, you will see the class is already came. If class doesn't came, then there will be one arrow option. From that arrow option you will select your class, choose your class. Okay, after you choose the class, suppose my class is demo class, then add to assignment. Add to assignment. See, assignment test 1 came. Okay, now you click on assignment test 1. As you click on assignment test 1, just click on assignment test 1, it will going to come. You will wait for some minute because and one thing is important, don't off your net and do the work. Your net connection should be always on, else the work cannot be completed. Okay, else see it will come. Just a moment, it is taking a little bit of time for the net connection. Okay, it will going to come. It came. Okay, so I said no, for the net connection it will come. Now in the private comment box you will write, you first will do hand in. Okay, hand in, and the private comment box you will write your name, class and section. Suppose I am writing Ajay Sharma, then 12 B humanities, H humanities. Then suppose roll number I am writing roll. These all things should be properly written in the copy as well as here also. Roll suppose 9, roll number 9. Okay, now then your phone number, suppose your phone number, write PHNO. P I am writing PHNO, phone number. Then I am writing a one space and I am giving a phone number. Suppose I am giving any phone number 5656789123. Suppose this is the phone number. So all the information details to be given here properly. Okay, then you will do click on this particular arrow button. Click on the button, arrow button. I am clicking on the arrow button. You will see processing is done. So the thing is totally now submitted. Okay, so this is your answer sheet that you have posted. Okay, you can open and you can check it that it is all right or not. Okay, so those the answer scripts are there. See here, the answer scripts are there, isn't it? This is your answer that you have done. So after it you are confirmed. Okay, after you are confirmed, your work is over. Clear? Your work is over, no comment is now required. So this way how you will going to do your hand in. I am saying again, this way how you will going to do the hand in. You will take all the page photograph. Photograph should be very much clear. It should be understandable. It should not be verbal. Okay, and you will do the hand in of your work. This way the assignment test 1 must be submitted. Thank you, students.